Let's talk about the products with World Ventures. When I saw World Ventures, the products blew me away. What those products include are dream trips. It includes coupons. It includes a mall where you can go and shop and make money to travel and use for travel. You've got the Rovia website and you've got a concierge service. So let me break that down. See, I am a walking billboard of the products of World Ventures. And what does that mean? I believe in the products, I use the products. So when I go and share this opportunity with my friends and family and business associates, I use my story on how I use my products. And of course, my confidence goes up, my posture is great. So let's talk about each of those products. Our first product is Dream Trips. Dream Trips is wholesale and below, and these are wholesale dream trips throughout the world. Over 700 dream trips annually, and you can literally go there and pick from any type of dream trip you want. I'll give you an example. My husband and I, over the last 4 years, we have taken 18 dream trips. Those dream trips have ranged from going to China and walking the Great Wall of China, which was a bucket list, to going to a culinary resort in Vermont. We don't even cook. But why did we do that? Because it was there and it was available and it included the changing of the seasons. We also went and did whitewater rafting. Look, I'm not an activity person. So why did we do that? Because we could. We had a dream trip available that took us to Colorado and had everything planned out for us. We got to go to the Grand Canyons, the most spiritual experience that I've ever had. We've been to Europe, we've been to Monte Carlo. Everything is planned out on a dream trip. All you have to do is go in there and look for your dream trip. You can plan it out as far in advance as you want, or you can take it in the next couple of months. Everything that's available will be there. And when you book your dream trip, you're going to get an itinerary that comes to you, and everything's going to be laid out for you. Y'all, it doesn't get any easier than this. We're talking high quality, low price. Nobody can compete with us. And when you book a dream trip, if by some chance, I wouldn't plan on it, but if by some chance you find that exact same dream trip for a lower price, not only does the company give you your money back, but they send you on that trip for free as well. That's pretty amazing. So book a dream trip as quickly as you can, and if you can't get it booked right away, go in there and decide which one you're going to want to take. And then whenever you go and show this to your prospects, always know what dream trips are there so you can talk about them. The second part of the products is Dream Trips Life. Dream Trips Life includes coupons for dining, entertainment, ordering flowers, and those are going to save you a lot of money. I'll give you an example. I go in there, and whenever I'm going to go travel somewhere, as well as when I'm in town, I'll go in there and pull up any restaurants. I'll order my flowers through there with coupons, and what I'll do is I'll print those coupons. Like, for example, we went to Vegas. 2 restaurants, $70 savings on 2 restaurants. So can you see how that can really save you so much money? Now, when you go on to your dining and entertainment, if you find a coupon and you're not ready to use it, just save it to your shopping cart. For example, ice cream, and then when you're ready to go get that ice cream, go into your shopping cart, print it, and go and use it. So that's the dining and entertainment. You also have your Dream Trip Small, and I have to tell you, this has totally changed for me what I do in my spare time. I don't jump in the car any longer and drive for hours and go find a parking space and fight for parking spaces. I stay in my jammies, I go to my Dream Trip Small website on my website, and then I go and I connect through my Dream Trip Small to a variety of stores that I'm already shopping at. For example, I can connect to Macy's, I can connect to Groupon, to Overstock.com. I mean, the list is just endless. I connect to Walgreens. I'll just go in there, I'll order my toiletries, or I'll order whatever I need to order, air filters from Sears, and then I have them delivered to my front door. And guess what? Every dollar that I spend, I'm going to make a certain percentage back in what's called Rovia Bucks. And Rovia Bucks are going to add up, and that's what you are going to use to take your next trip. So why get in the car and use your gas? Just get on your website and go shopping. It is endless. The other thing that we have available to us is the Rovia booking website. Now, this is like an Expedia Travelocity only on steroids. Nobody can compete with that, and this is the way it works. If I'm going to go to Houston, Texas, and I need a hotel room for a weekend, I'm going to go to my Rovia website through my Dream Trips Life, and I'm going to go in there and I'm going to search for either a hotel, for airfare, for rental cars, for excursions. If you're going to New York, you can go check out all the shows, and you can book everything on your website. And for the majority of the bookings that you do, you're going to make a certain percentage of commission back by way of Rovia bucks. The company's going to keep 50% of the commissions that's made, and you're going to keep the other 50%, and your Rovia bucks are going to build up. We get paid a commission and everything except airfare. Airfare is a non-commissionable item. But hey, I've saved hundreds of dollars on airfare. And there's two things that I want to add to that amazing product. There is what's called Rate Shrinker. So when you go on there and book a hotel or airfare, the company has technology that continues to ping your itinerary. And if your itinerary reduces in price between the time you book it till the time you take it, guess what? You're going to get the difference refunded to you on your credit card. I mean, who else does that? It's absolutely great. The second component to that is a guarantee. If you book right now and by midnight that same night you find it for a lower price on another website, there is a way that you can send your information and they will refund you 150% of the difference by way of Rovia bucks. So can you kind of see the theme here? The theme is use your product, save money, keep building those Rovia bucks so that you can use that for travel. And then the last item I'm going to share with you is what has literally caused me to not have to think anymore. It's called concierge service. We have a 24/7 concierge service that you can call and ask any questions you want, and they will do the research for you. For example, when I was shopping for a microwave, I had been told about the inverter on a microwave. I called concierge. I had them research what was best on a microwave, and they went ahead and did the research for me. They did some price comparison for me. I found my particular microwave at Best Buy, and guess where I went and ordered it? On my Dream Trip Small. I decided to go pick it up at the store, but when I got to the store, it took all of 5 minutes to run in, pick it up, walk out. I could have had it delivered to my front door as well. So start using your products. Be a billboard, a walking billboard of your World Ventures products. And when you do, your confidence, your posture, and your passion will come through.